Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 18th block, which is physical features of Earth. And we have learned that the different landforms and water bodies together make the physical features of Earth. And what are the landforms? Hills, mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts are the different landforms. And what are the different water bodies? Seas, ocean, lakes, rivers, ponds, all these are different water bodies. Together make the physical features of Earth we have learned. And yesterday in the first topic, we have learned the features of hills and mountains and also the valleys, which are the flat lines between the mountains and hills is called valley. We have learned that. So in the second topic, we are going to learn about the features of deserts, plains and plateaus. Okay, please open your social content book, children, and turn to page number 113. 113, 13, 113. Okay, there you can see the features of deserts, plains, and plateaus. Okay, so if you see the deserts, children, deserts are dry land. Can you see in the first picture here? So, this is the desert. Okay, so this desert is a dry land, and here you can see very less rainfall, or sometimes there'll be no rainfall throughout the year. Okay, there'll be very less rainfall and sometimes no rainfall at all. Okay, and in this region the plants are very few. So the plants, the trees that grow in this desert are very few, like date palm trees or cactus plant. Only few plants you can see in this region. Okay, and deserts are of two types, children. One is hot desert, this one, and the other one is a cold desert, this one. Okay, this hot and cold deserts we can say. Okay, this cold deserts is always completely covered with snow throughout the year. Like hot deserts are covered with sand throughout the year, isn't it? And this cold desert is completely covered with snow. Okay, hot with sand, cold with snow. Okay, and this hot deserts, the climate is very hot, and in the cold deserts the climate is very cold. Okay, now turn your page to 114, children. 114, there you have plains. Okay, so this one is your plain. Okay, this is your plain. Okay, and how it is described? It is described as a low flat land. Okay, hills and mountains are little up, isn't it? Mount hills are little up, whereas the mountains are very high, isn't it? But these plains are flat lands. Okay, and this plains are very fertile. These plains are very fertile that it is very good for the agriculture. Okay, that is to grow the crops or to grow the plants. Okay, next you have plateaus. So this is your plateau. Okay, can you see in the picture? So this is a plateau. Plateau is slightly raised flat land. Okay, when compared to plains, these plateaus are little raised. Okay, and they have steep slope. Can you see in the picture how they are? Steep slope and flat from the top. If you see from the top, you can see only the flat surface. Okay, so this structure of plateau looks like a table. Okay, like table. Okay, it is slightly raised, isn't it? And on the top it is flat, so it looks like a table. That's why the plateaus are called as table land. Okay, children, so these are the features of plains, deserts and plateaus. Okay, so read this, children, and underline the keywords which I have given in your daily schedule. Write it in your classwork and learn them, children. Okay, and if you don't know any other spellings which I have given in the daily schedule, other than that you don't know any spellings, if you are unable to read a word, then read that spelling, use your phonics and to pronounce it. Okay, so coming to your question answers. How is cold desert different from hot desert? So cold desert is covered with snow throughout the year, And the hot desert is covered with sand throughout the year, and the desert climate is cold, and hot desert climate is hot. So that's what you will mention here. Next question. How is plateau different from a plain? A plain is a flat land, but plateaus are the raised flatlands. Plains are low flatlands. Okay, so write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 11, S2, deserts, plains, and plateaus. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.